Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to deposit in Casino Plus using GGives. So let's start. Well, if you are going to using Casino Plus and you wanna deposit with your Gcash, well, what you can do it is the next steps. That is when at the cashier or cashier page, in this case Casino Plus, choose to pay with Gcash and log in into your Gcash account. So you have to log in both accounts. It means in Casino Plus and in GCash. Then select GGives as your payment method on the GCash app. So for this, text see installing options and select your preferred installing plan and agree with the disclosure statement. Then tap pay with GGives, okay? Entonces, so when you do it, you can start paying with GCash without any problem, and you can start using Casino Plus, playing those games that appear here without any problem and without the fun on this. So guys, I hope this video helps you. Thank you for watching it. Remember to subscribe and don't forget to give us thumb up to this video.